everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a huge grocery haul, and please excuse my crazy hair. I just got back from a really long day in town and it's really windy outside, so the hair is crazy and I'm tired. So I haven't been for groceries in 3 weeks. That's a long time. I usually do every 2 weeks. So I had to get a pretty big load of groceries, and these all totaled out to $180, and I think I got a pretty good amount for that price because I used a lot of coupons and most of it was on sale. I did do grocery pickup at Fry's and I got my grocery pickup for free. Normally it's $4.95 to have the curbside pickup, but that was one of the coupons that I had this week. If I bought 5 of a certain item, then I got free curbside pickup, so I did that. Before we do the grocery haul, I'm going to read you guys my meal plans just so you can have an idea of what I'm going to be using all of these items for. I had to move over here so that I could see my menu. So I've got on here teriyaki chicken and rice, chili, stir-frying rice, crock-pot lasagna, a healthy roasted chicken and veggies in the oven, slow cooker chicken enchilada casserole, tacos, stuffed peppers. I just like to have at least 10 meals written on my chalkboard here. If I can't think of something to make, then I can pick one of these off the chalkboard, but I know that I can probably come up with a few more items than these, but it's just nice to have a few planned out and written down. Now we'll get into the grocery haul, and it is a ton of stuff. First, I grabbed my favorite kind of coffee, the Kroger light roast French vanilla. It's cheap and it's the best K-cups that I think that I've ever had. We're completely out of dark brown sugar, so I had to grab some of that, lemon pepper, and then I also got some cinnamon. And Kroger has this new brand called Smidgen Spoon, and for a container of the seasoning from this brand, it's only $1. If I bought 4 El Paso products, then I got $2 off my order. So I got some red enchilada sauce, refried beans, and then there's some tacos down there. Brownie mix was on sale for 99 cents, so I grabbed one of those. They're nice to just have in the pantry for a quick dessert. Stubbs barbecue sauce. We're completely out of barbecue sauce. And then I got me and my husband's creamer. My husband likes the French vanilla creamer and I like the natural bliss. 3 boxes of butter since it was on sale, and then I got 3 boxes of the granola bars because they were on sale for super cheap, so I just went ahead and stocked up. Somebody decided to climb up on the bench and watch this grocery haul. Don't push on the bread. I got 2 loaves of bread. This was on sale as well. Basically everything was, don't smush it. Basically everything was on sale today. 3 jugs of pasta sauce. I needed some more of this extra virgin olive oil cooking spray. Some black olives. I needed some more olive oil, so I just got some of the Kroger brand. Got some of these chicken in a biscuit crackers for the boys. Crackers is like their favorite snack to have. A big bag of chocolate chips because my husband wants me to make him lots of chocolate chip cookies. Diced tomatoes, some tomato sauce. I got some Jimmy Dean fully cooked turkey sausage crumbles just to have on hand for breakfast burritos and for omelets. Big bag of the Mexican style blend shredded cheese. We go through a lot of this. I got a bunch of tortillas because they were on sale, and I make my husband a lot of burritos for his packed lunches, so I got 3 of those. Almonds were on sale for super cheap, so I got just some of the regular salted and toasted, and then I got some of the honey and cinnamon. Got a box of these wheat thins. They were supposed to be for the boys, but I've been snacking on these as I was unloading groceries. I got myself some Greek yogurt. It's been a while since I've had that. And I got some organic oats and honey granola clusters to go with that yogurt. 2 of these containers of quick oats. I need to fill up my glass jar on the countertop with more oats because I'm all out, so I got a bunch of those. This 100% whole grain flour pancake mix was on sale, so I grabbed a box of that. Smoked deli turkey and oven roasted deli turkey, the Natural Choice brand. These are to pack in my husband's lunches, to make sandwiches, wraps, all that kind of stuff. Shredded Colby Jack cheese. Some of this orange rind Munster. All the cheese was on sale today. I needed some more vinegar, and this is that same Smidgen Spoon brand from Kroger. This was only like 90, I think it was actually 79 cents. Needed some more vegetable oil, so I got some of that. The boys 4 of these yogurts, strawberry, banana, and peach. Some lasagna for that crock pot lasagna. I got myself some of these to try because I had a coupon. And these are the other 2 El Paso products that I got, these stand and stuff taco shells. I hate how taco shells fall over so easily, so these are going to be awesome. Italian style already cooked meatballs were on sale for super cheap, so I got these to have in the freezer. We don't have any meat in our freezer right now, so I had to stock up a little bit. Strawberries were on sale 4 for $5, so I got 4 of those. 2 bags of this classic garden lettuce, and this one is like, look how flat this bag is. It wasn't smushed in the truck. That's how it was in the bag when she gave gave it to me. There's that second bag of lettuce, and then I got a bag of romaine hearts as well. I love to have salad for lunches. My husband loves salad too. The last items is just a bunch of meat because like I said, we don't have any meat in our freezer right now. So I got the 3-pound package of ground turkey. I was just gonna get the 1-pound package, but it was cheaper to buy the 3-pound. So I just went ahead and got that. And I got 3 of these packages of chicken because I got them for like $4 a piece, which was a crazy good deal. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick grocery haul. A lot of you had been requesting grocery hauls. That's why I decided to just go ahead and film this one. If you enjoyed it, be sure and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Bye.